Subscribe to Igbo Nono and
guys, hi Igbo Nonos, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, because that's my motivation you get. In today's video, we're going to be talking about actions and meaning in Igbo language. That is various activities you're doing, or the actions you're taking, and what they mean in Igbo language. And we have here Isa Aka. This lady here is washing her hand. So the Aka here is hand, and Isa is wash. You see, it's the two words, Isa Aka. Isa Aka. The Aka is hand and the Isa is wash. So we join the two words and Isa Aka. And we have Itufu Ahehia. Itufu Ahehia. Throwing out dirt. Like an example, you're going out to throw out dirt, you tell your father, Daddy, I'm coming. Achoram Itufu Ahehia. Ahehia is trash. So you throw trash away, right? So Achoram Itufu Ahehia. Eba Igwe. In Igbo language, you cannot differentiate cycling, whether it's the regular bicycle or the water not, so long you are rolling your legs around the wheel. In Igbo, you are cycling, and cycling is Iba Igwe. Iba Igwe. Na ebutu osisi. Basically, most people use axe to cut down trees, cut down the wood, and anything I think about. So the vivid example here I can use is na ebutu osisi, cutting wood. Na ebutu osisi, cutting wood. Iguzo nkete. When you're just standing and you're doing nothing, you're standing up for a while, you're doing nothing. You're just standing normally. What you're doing is iguzo nkete. Iguzo nkete. You're standing normal, you're not doing anything. So iguzo nkete. Do you understand? As we go further, isi aka ala. The regular thumbs down that we give on social medias, on Instagram or Facebook, anything you can think about, you are doing what? Isi aka ala. That your hand is the thumb, and the Igbo is isi aka. So when you're putting it down, you're putting it down. So it's isi aka ala. And here is mwete echiche. When you have got an idea, so you're like mwete echiche, mweta echiche, mweta echiche. You have got an idea. You've got a solution to something. So you've got an idea is mwete echiche. Na ebuli nkume. Nkume in stone in Igbo language is nkume. So we're lifting it up. Lifting is na ebuli. So na ebuli nkume is lifting rock. Na ebuli nkume is lifting rock. So we're using the PC here is very simple, like na AGPC. This one is basically very simple. You're using the PC, so you're what? In AGPC. So it's just very simple. I think this is among the easiest here. So using PC na AGPC. Yes, and we have na eme yoga. Yes, you're practically doing an exercise. So what you're doing is na eme yoga. Na eme yoga. Na eme yoga. Doing yoga. Doing is na eme. Anything you're doing is anything doing in Igbo language is na eme. Na atuhari uche. You are meditating. Na atuhari uche. Na atuhari uche. Na atuhari uche. Meditating. Na atuhari uche. Ije. You're walking. Basically, you're walking, right? So in Igbo is ije. Ije. Walking. Ije. Walking. Ije. Walking. Ije. Walking. Board. Sofu. Surfing board. Board. Sofu. Surfing board. Board. Sofu. Surfing board. Board. Sofu. Surfing board. And neme push-up. Neme push-up. Doing push-ups. Remember I said doing is naeme. Naeme push-up. Doing push-ups. Na-eme push-up. Doing push-up. You're doing push-up basically. Na-egosi. Na-egosi. Presenting. Na-egosi. Presenting. Na-egosi. Presenting. Na-egosi. Presenting. Na-egosi. Presenting. Odo. Sitting. Odo. Sitting. Odo. Sitting. Odo. Sitting. Odo. Sitting. Iji mkpanaka. Using mobile. Iji mkpanaka. Mkpanaka is mobile in Igbo. So iji is to hold. Iji mkpanaka. Using mobile. Iji mkpanaka using mobile. Na-awụli elu. Na-awụli elu. Jumping up. Na-awụli elu. Jumping up. Na-awụli elu. Jumping up. Na-awụli elu. Jumping up. Ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya. Very same word. Horse riding. Ịnyịnya is horse in Igbo. Ịnyịnya is horse in Igbo language. To ride is ịnya. Whether it's car or anything. So ịnyịnya. Ịgba osisi mmiri. Watering plant. 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 Na-ewere mkpụrụ osisi. You're collecting fruit from the tree. So ị na-ewere mkpụrụ osisi. You can also say ị na-ewere efele, collecting plates. Yes. But this time around, it's mkpụrụ osisi we're talking about. So na-ewere mkpụrụ osisi, collecting fruits. Na-efegharị aka. Waving hand. Na-efegharị aka. Waving hand. Na-efegharị aka. Waving hands. Na-efegharị aka. Waving hands. Anyị abịala na njedebe n'ụbọchị tata. We've come to the end of this lesson today. Hope you learned one or two things. Anyị abịala na njedebe. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Please make sure you save in your watch later and practice, and you'll be fine. Consistently is the key. Biko denye aha. Please subscribe. Like I always say, please subscribe to this channel. Support me and bring in more content your way. You can also put down in the comment section what kind of videos you want or how you want this learning to be going. Do you want me to bring in a bit of my lifestyle while I also do most of my teaching? Ka ode potara. Bye bye.